Welcome back to ShopTalk. This week's topic, steering your auto repair shop to success. As an auto repair shop owner, you hold the key to driving the growth and success of your business. Your strategic decisions, leadership, and overall business acumen have a direct impact on your shop's profitability and customer base. In today's video, we will discuss essential practices and tips that auto repair shop owners should consider to strengthen and grow their businesses. Develop a strong marketing strategy. A comprehensive and targeted marketing strategy is essential to attract new customers and build brand awareness. Consider the following practices. Invest in a user-friendly website that showcases your shop's services, customer reviews, and contact information. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media platforms and search engine optimization to reach a broader audience. Implement referral programs, discounts, or loyalty rewards to encourage customer retention and word-of-mouth referrals. Embrace technology and automation. Incorporating technology and automation into your auto repair shop operations can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. Some key practices to consider include implementing a digital management system for scheduling appointments, tracking inventory, and managing customer records. Utilizing customer relationship management software to maintain a database of customer information, preferences, and service history. Adopting digital vehicle inspection tools to provide visual reports and detailed repair recommendations to customers. Prioritize customer service. Delivering exceptional customer service is paramount to establishing a loyal customer base and driving positive reviews. Consider the following practices. Hire and train service advisors who excel in customer service and communication skills. Regularly evaluate and improve customer touchpoints from initial contact to post-repair follow-ups. Encourage customer feedback and address any concerns promptly and professionally. Monitor key performance indicators. Tracking and analyzing key performance indicators allows you to assess the health and progress of your auto repair shop. Consider monitoring the following KPIs. Customer retention rate. Measure the percentage of customers who return for additional services. Average repair order value. Track the average amount spent by customers per visit. Technician efficiency. Evaluate the productivity and billable hours of your automotive technicians. As an auto repair shop owner, implementing strong marketing strategies, embracing technology, prioritizing customer service, and monitoring key performance indicators are crucial for driving business growth. By adopting these essential practices, you can position your shop for success, attract more customers, and build a reputation as a trusted automotive repair provider in your community. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.